Welcome back to a roundup of the week's abortion news that you need to know, and you need to know this week's abortion stories because they're hard to hear, but it is crucial to witness the fatal effects of abortion bans in this country. This week, The New Yorker broke the tragic story of Jennifer Alvarez Estrada Glick, a 29-year-old Texas woman who died in 2002 from the vast ecosystem of healthcare neglect that abortion bans are rapidly amplifying. Yeni was uninsured and had multiple health conditions that made pregnancy very dangerous, but no one told her that, and no one told her that abortion could save her life. Why? Because the only hospital she could access was Catholic, and they don't even speak of abortion. And in Texas, a state that just fought and won the right to ignore federal regulations that say you have to try and save someone in a medical emergency because they would rather let you die than let you get an abortion. Being pregnant and poor in a pro-life state is a death sentence, and their system is working exactly as designed. Can you believe our next story also has to do with a pregnant woman of color who was turned away by a Catholic hospital? You may remember Brittany Watt of Ohio, the woman who was charged with abuse of a corpse for having a miscarriage in her own home after the Catholic hospital refused to give her abortion care. And the nurse at the hospital called the police on her when she came back to get treatment for said miscarriage. This week, a grand jury declined to indict her, which is good news, but these charges should have never been brought. Welcome to the pro-life utopia, where life is a living hell if you can manage to stay alive. Listen to this week's episode of the Feminist Buzzkills podcast for more abortion news information. And as always, come back here next week to catch another roundup and stay safe.